were really grinding, and you were maybe like 19 or 20. How old were you when you started? I mean, you are very young.
We enlist at 18. Now I'm 21, so that should have been like
Super cool.
19 or 20, I think.
And how were the results, like the first contest? Because I cannot see, or I mean, I can see that you found some medium risk in your first contest, but what was the payout back then? You remember?
I think from what I remember, I never crossed the 400 range. When I first started, I think it was around like 100 or 50 or like even lower, probably even lower back then. But because these were the bugs I was finding were like very, they are either very easy to find or they were very low impact. So like if anyone who's hearing is familiar with how audit contest works, if everyone finds your bug, you'll probably get like 1 cent. And if there's a very low impact, it'll probably get like reduced to like QA or low. So that did reduce my payout quite a lot. And yeah, I think it was very low. So this was I actually did like a lot of QA reports in the end, because that was when I had like more of a chance to get payouts, I think. Yeah. But I remember in
I
like
can
these
see, like the
contests.
first one, you get like $250, which was pretty low. Yeah, you get like around $200-$300 range. And when you see this result, were you frustrated or you were like happy with them? Because I think it's like for first contents, it's not bad. I mean, $250, $300. How did you feel when you saw the results?
Oh yeah, now I do see it. I mean, okay, looking at it now, like average I think it was like 100, 200. But
Yeah.
that's very good, honestly. Like there aren't a lot of things where you can just hop in and then you suddenly like get $255 in like a week, which is like unheard of. I mean,
Especially as a
what?
soldier that doesn't get a salary or very low salary, it's super cool, I guess.
Yeah, I mean back then when I was in the military, I think my pay was around 1,000 Singapore dollars a month. So this was like
It's around 700 US
255
dollars,
USD.
700 US dollars,
Yeah,
something like that.
yeah, it's around like 33% of my salary already back then. So it's very good. But I don't think I focused a lot on the payout back then. Honestly, I didn't really look at it. Most of it was just looking at like the findings and the ranking sometimes. But honestly, it was like so low that I didn't bother looking in the past, I guess.